Hello all, welcome to our new series Learn German Easily. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use Nominativ bestimmter article and where to use Nominativ bestimmter article. Before we learn how to use nominative article and when to use nominative article, we will see how to write normal sentence. When you write any sentence, you must write subject and verb to form a complete meaningful sentence. When you ask question to verb with who or what, answer you get is always subject. If you ask question with who, then answer you get is a person. If you ask question with what, then answer you get is thing. Now subjects are always nominative. Means what? Means you write subject, then article of that subject that should always be nominative. That is, whatever noun you are using as a subject in the sentence, article of that noun should be nominative. If it is a person, then it can be either noun or pronoun. On pronoun part, we will not concentrate in this lesson. We see subject that are noun or things because noun and things they have article. Here, nominative bestimmter article table is given. If you don't know what are article, why to use, when to use, check my video on article. Link is in the description box and here is on I button. Let us just quickly revise nominative article so that it will be easy for you to understand whatever examples we are going to learn. Masculine singular noun, they have article there and symbol is R. Feminine singular noun, they have article the and symbol is E. Neutral singular noun, they have article das and the symbol is S. For all plural noun, article is the. That is why plural nouns are easy to remember. You don't have to remember their gender. Now let's see few examples. Die Frau ist sehr freundlich. If you ask question to verb with who is friendly? The lady. Answer is die Frau. Now Frau is feminine noun. That is why nominative article is the. Die Frau is subject here in the sentence. Das Haus ist groß. The house is big. What is big? The house. The house is the answer. That is why the house is the subject in the sentence. House is neutral gender noun. So nominative article for neutral noun is das. Das Haus ist groß. Das Haus is subject in the sentence. Die Kirche ist alt. Church is old. So ask question with what? So what is old? The church. That is subject. So Kirche is feminine noun. That is why nominative article used is the. The Kirche is subject in the sentence. Das ist das Buch. This is the book or that is the book. So if you ask me question with what is this? The book. The book is the subject. So book is neutral gender noun. That is why nominative article used is das. Die Bücher sind lesbar. Books are readable. So here, what are readable? Books are readable. So books is plural noun. That is why nominative article used is the. So die Bücher is the subject in the sentence. Die Tasche ist teuer. The bag is expensive. So if you ask question to verb with what? So what is expensive? The bag. So the bag is the subject. So Tasche is feminine noun. That is why nominative article used here is the. Die Tasche is subject in the sentence. Die Blumen schauen sehr schön. Flowers look very beautiful. What looks very beautiful? Flowers. So flowers is subject. Blumen is plural noun. That is why die is article used here. Die Blumen is subject in the sentence. Der Termin ist 4 Uhr. The meeting is at 4 o'clock. So what is there at 4 o'clock? The meeting. So the meeting is the subject. Termin is masculine noun. That is why nominative article used is there. So der Termin is subject. Wo ist die Katze? Where is the cat? So this question is about the cat. So the cat is subject in the sentence. So Katze is feminine noun. That is why Nominative article die is used for Katze. Die Frau lebt in Deutschland. The lady lives in Germany. Who lives in Germany? The lady. So the lady is the subject in this sentence. So Frau is feminine noun. That is why die Frau is the subject in the sentence. Das Kind geht zu der Schule. The kid goes to school. Who goes to school? The kid. So the kid is the subject in the sentence. So kind is neutral gender noun. That is why das is the article used here, which is nominative article. Das Kind is subject in the sentence. Der Mann arbeitet in der Bäckerei. The man works in bakery. Who works in bakery? The man. The man is the subject in the sentence. Man is masculine gender noun. So that is why article used here is there, which is nominative article. I hope you understand how and where to use nominative, bestimmter, article. Thank you for watching this video.